When we buy sunglasses, no one ever prepares us for what to do when we accidentally scratch or break a lens. In this video, you'll learn about your options when it comes to replacing your name brand sunglasses, including your warranty, its fine print, and fused lenses. Scratching your lenses is especially a bummer when they're your nice pair of sunglasses that you spend hundreds of dollars on. This is how you bring them back to life. Hi guys, it's Alanna and welcome to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel, the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Before we dive into sunglass warranties, your coverage, and fused lenses, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell so you know when we post weekly videos. Do it for your eyes. Alright, now on to the most interesting topic in the world, sunglasses warranties! Okay, it's not that interesting, but the stuff is important. There's two types of warranties. One, limited warranty, and two, unlimited warranty. Most brand name sunglasses offer a limited warranty which covers against defects in materials or workmanship, but not wear and tear. Typically, brands have a 1-year limited warranty. A good handful of luxury sunglasses brands like Ray-Ban, Chanel, Oliver People, and Prada, and so many more brands are owned by a company called Luxottica. All of their brands, even the premium luxury brands like Chanel, only have a 2-year warranty. That's really not a long time when you spend hundreds of dollars on sunglasses. Even Oakley sunglasses only have a 2-year limited warranty. There are brands that offer lifetime warranties like Costa Del Mar, but definitely not many. Most unlimited warranties include frame replacements if there's a defect. They'll also offer lens replacements only if the brand says their lenses are scratch resistant or unbreakable and they don't live up to those claims. These brands are likely to do repairs before replacing. Lifetime warranties may also have a few restrictions. For example, many brands won't honor warranties from unauthorized retailers, so keep that in mind when you're shopping for sunglasses. Some brands also offer lifetime warranties on frames, but only a year warranty on the lenses, or vice versa. Processing time for these repairs and replacement requests take within 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, that's a long time to wait when your glasses are already broken. So how do you know if your warranty is valid? Even though you're likely to have a 1 to 2 year limited warranty, to figure out your exact coverage, you can find it on the box or go online. Then locate your proof of purchase and make sure you're within the warranty window. If you have an unlimited warranty, then you can contact their support team for instructions on how to activate it. If you have a limited warranty, which is more likely the case, you'll need to figure out whether the damage to your frames was a manufacturer's defect or normal wear and tear for sunglasses. Manufacturer's defects include non-functioning hinges and mounts and missing frame decals. If you receive your sunglasses already with issues, then you could be entitled to a replacement pair of sunglasses or repairs under your warranty. Normal wear and tear on sunglasses include scratches on your lenses and bent frames. Of course, these are only considered damages from normal use if they occur while they're in your possession. Unfortunately, if you have a limited warranty, replacing your lenses due to scratches is usually not covered. That's why it sucks when your lenses scratch or break, but don't lose hope. Oh, and something else to note is that most warranties won't cover lost sunglasses or damages caused by pets, vehicles, or general neglect. So keep them out of your pet's mouth, or at least try to. Actually, my cat Oni, who basically acts like a dog, loves chewing on my sunglasses, and I've definitely lost a few pairs because of him. If you want to skip the hassle of your brand warranty because they'll likely not cover your lenses anyway, you can get fused lenses. We make optical grade polycarbonate replacement lenses for any brand of sunglasses. And if we don't carry your brand, we do custom replacements too. It's so easy that it's only 3 steps. First, you select your brand and model. Second, you customize your lenses with polarization, 20+ color and finish options, and even prescription. And finally, we ship the lenses to you and you can easily replace them at home all within 2 weeks, much faster than those warranty requests. And it's super affordable, starting at $19.99. With all the money you're saving from not buying more sunglasses, you might as well grab a few other color options too. If you don't feel like replacing the lenses yourself, you can send your frames to us through our concierge service for just a little extra, and we'll ship them back shiny and new. If you need prescription lenses, we'll also have you send in your frames and the pros will handle them. We made a more in-depth video on how fused lenses works, including your lens and service options, and a video demoing on how to replace your lenses at home. Be sure to check them out on our channel. And while we're talking about all this warranty stuff, fused lenses and our sunglasses actually come with a no questions asked one-time replacement warranty. If you purchase our Fuse Plus lenses or any sunglasses, you'll get a lifetime warranty. Then a 1-year warranty for our tinted and polarized lenses. For prescription lenses, we cover manufacturer defects within 1 year. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned about warranties and fused lenses. Comment below with any questions you may have. If you're ready to extend the life of your favorite shades or just to add some lens color options, just go to fusedlenses.com/YouTube and find your style and brand. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks again for watching, and see you guys next time.